the Arctic is not one. It is very different societies, cultures. But what I gained from this panel was that we have so much to collaborate on anyhow. We can share knowledge on how we do things, and I think it would be really interesting to try to pursue the possibility of maybe collaborating on funding, because right now a lot of the Arctic countries have a lot of communities that are very small and far away from each other, and it's difficult for those to have projects that are economically viable in themselves. So we need to, I think, to collaborate both in terms of policies and knowledge, but maybe also in terms of attracting investments.
We want to learn what's working well in other countries as well, so that we can benefit from that. So sharing standards, sharing practices, sharing what's working across different regions. In our territories, we rely a lot on our hydro. We have a wealth of water, so that works with us, for us, but we are definitely looking at a mixed approach. So whether that's microgrids, small nuclear reactors, for example. A lot of our communities still rely on diesel, so we want to have backup plans as well in the work that we're doing. But we want to have clean energy. We want to make sure that whatever we're building will sustain the futures ahead for future generations.
We are already collaborating with our Arctic partners. To give you a few examples, inside the European Economic Area, we have a very close relationship with Norway and Iceland. The Minister of Energy of Iceland mentioned he's just back from Brussels, where he's explaining in Brussels how to work on geothermal. What is important in tomorrow's energy to be into the renewable energy is also how much we will be able to tap into the critical raw material potential. And for that, we have CRM, critical raw material memorandum of understanding with Norway, with Greenland, and with Canada. And Greenland is, of course, a fantastic partner. They need a little more investment, and that's where the EU can help. But what we want is that it's a true partnership. If ever we use the energy that comes from the Arctic, we want also to share the benefit with the population there.